Hi students, welcome back to Max video classes. So in the last video we completed exercise 2.3. I hope everyone understood and I think everyone practiced on that. So in this video I am going to explain exercise 2.4 sums. So open your textbooks and your running notes and see the first question in exercise 2.4. So here the first question is, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Observe the situation carefully. Amina thinks of a number. That means she thinks one number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So she subtracts 5 by 2 from a number. Okay, and she multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number. In the beginning, what she thinks? The 3 times of that number is the result when she multiplied that difference by 8. Okay, so what is the number? So at the end of the question you find that number. Okay, so generally what we do, we take that number as x. Let the number be x. So according to the question, yeah, first she subtracts 5 by 2 from that number. So here what is the number? The number is x. Now subtract this 5 by 2 from this x, means x minus 5 by 2. Okay, and she multiplies the result by 8. Here what is the result? Here the result is x minus 5 by 2 is the result, and she multiplied that result by 8. So into 8. Now what is the final result? 8 into x minus 5 by 2. Okay, this is the result. The result now obtained is, that means the result means 8 into x minus 5 by 2 is 3 times the same number she thought of. 3 times the same number. At the beginning, what is the number? X. So what is the 3 times of this number? That is 3x. Okay, that means these two are equal. So 8 into x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. Why? Because after completing this multiplication, the result is 3 times the number. So here the result is 8 into x minus 5 by 2. It is equal to 3 times the number, means 3 into x. Now this is the equation representing the given situation. Now solve this equation. Okay, so first simplify the left side part. Why? Because here we have bracket. So that's why first you simplify left side part. 8 into x, 8x, minus 8 into 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. Okay, so 8x minus 2, 8, 4 times 4 5s 20 is equal to 3x. Okay, now transpose all variable terms to left side and all constants to right side. So 3x transpose to left side and minus 20 is transpose to right side. Then 8x plus 3x transpose to left side, it changes to minus 3x, and minus 20 transpose to right side, it changes to 20. So 8x minus 3x, it is equal to 5x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 by 5. It is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. Here in the beginning, what is x? The number. the number is we are taken as x, so that x is equal to 4. Hence, the required number is, hence the required number is 4. Okay, let's come to the next one. Here the second question is, a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So observe the question carefully. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. So what are the two numbers? So this is the question. Okay, so when you observe the first sentence of this question, a positive number is 5 times the another number. That means here we have two numbers. One number is 5 times of another number. So out of the two numbers, let us take one number as x. Let the another number be x. Another number means this is the second number, be x. So as per the first condition, the positive number is five x. Why? Because this number, this positive number is 5 times. Okay, so this is the second number and this is the first number. The first number is 5 times the second number. Okay, so if the second number is x, then the number is the positive number. That means the first number is 5x. And see the second sentence. If 21 is added to both the numbers, 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? If 21 is added to both the numbers, here what are the two numbers? Second number is x and the first number is 5x. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then the result is x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. So these are the new numbers. When you add this 21 to this two numbers, okay, so according to the question, one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. So when you add these 21 to these two numbers, one of the new number, out of these two new numbers, one number becomes twice the other new number. So which number is twice the other number? Just guess. So this one, x plus 21 is twice the 5x plus 21. Why? Because when you are comparing these two numbers, this number is, that means the second number is less than the first number. The second number is less than the first number. Why? Because the first number forms from the second number. The second number is x, that means the another number is x, then the positive number is 5x. So when you compare these two, x is less than 5x. Everyone know this. Okay, and you are adding the same quantity on both sides. So that's why x plus 21 is less than 5x plus 21. So that's why here x plus 21 is less than the 5x plus 21. So if you multiply this number by 2, then you get this number. Why? Because this is a larger number. So when you multiply smaller number by 2, then you get the larger number. Okay, so in case when you multiply a larger number by 2, we don't get the smaller number. That is not possible in our mathematics. So x plus 21 is multiplying by 2, then you get this number. Now frame an equation. So 2 into x plus 21 is equal to 5x plus 21. Okay, so now this is the required equation to the given situation. Okay, now solve this equation. First remove the brackets on the left side part. So multiply every term inside the bracket by 2. 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 21, it is 42. It is equal to 5x plus 21. And transpose the all like terms, means all variable terms to left side and all constant terms to right side. So 5x transpose to left side plus 42 is transposed to right side. Then 2x plus 5x is transposed to left side, changes to minus 5x, and right side already you have 21, and plus 42 is transposed to right side, it changes to minus 42. So 2x minus 5x, it is equal to minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 42, it is equal to minus 21. So x is equal to minus 21 by minus 3. Here I am transposing a factor, minus 3 is a factor, I am transposing this minus 3 to right side, so it multiplying x. So when you transpose it to right side, it divides. Okay, so x is equal to minus 21 by minus 3, minus minus cancel, and 3 21 7 times. So x is equal to 7. That means the second number is 7, and the first number is, it's 5 times the second number. 5x means 5 into 7, it is equal to 35. So therefore the two numbers are 7 comma 35. Hence the required numbers are 7 and 35. Okay, so this is the second one, and come to the third one. See the third one. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Okay, sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Okay, that means here at the end of this question we find a 2-digit number. Okay, so what is the relation between the 2 digits and the 2-digit number? Their sum is 9. Okay, so generally when you take the 2-digit number and the 2 digits are placed in which places? One digit in ones place and the another digit in tens place. Okay, so we are taking the 2 digits as 2 variables. Okay, so no need to present the 2 variables. Why? Because here the relation is given. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. It is given. So out of the 2 digits we can take any one digit as x. Here I am taking the digit in ones place be x. That means in the 2-digit number, the digit in ones place here I am taken as x. So according to the question, according to the first condition of this question, what is the digit in tens place? The digit in tens place is equal to, their sum is 9 na? So one digit is x, then what is the next digit? It is 9 minus x. That means in the 2-digit number, if the ones place digit is x, then the tens place digit is 9 minus x. Therefore, what is the 2-digit number? They are presents only the digits in the respective places. X is in ones place and 9 minus x is in tens place. But here we want the two-digit number. So in case if you take x in ones place and 9 minus x in tens place, then what is the two-digit number? We find it. Okay, so generally in case if you take 4 in ones place and 2 is in tens place, what is the two-digit number? What is the two-digit number? It's 24. Okay, and if you take 6 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place, what is the two-digit number? 36. But here we are taken the digit in ones place is x and the digit in tens place is 9 minus x. The digit in tens place we are represent with an expression. Then what is the two-digit number? Can we write 9 minus x? This is correct? No, this is wrong. Then how to find the two-digit number if the digit in ones place is x and the digit in tens place is 9 minus x? Okay, so just observe the previous examples. If the digit in tens place is 2 and the digit in ones place is 4, then the two-digit number is 24. But how to get this 24? What is the internal process involved to get this two-digit number? Yeah, observe it carefully. So what is the digit in tens place? 2. So its place value is 20. 2 is in tens place, so its place value is 20, and 4 is in ones place, so its place value is 4. Then the result two-digit number is, by adding these two place values, we get the two-digit number. 20 plus 4, it is equal to 24. So this is the internal process involved when you know the two digits in that number. We find that number like this. So here you observe second example also. So 3 is in tens place, so its place value is 30. 6 is in ones place, place value is 6. So by adding these two place values, we get the two-digit number. Apply the same process here also. Here what is the digit in tens place? It's 9 minus x. Okay, so its place value is 10 into 9 minus x. Okay, by multiplying that digit by 10, we get the place value of that digit, and x is in ones place, so its place value is 1 into x. By adding these two place values, we get the two-digit number. Here what is the two-digit number? 10 into 9 minus x plus 1 into x means x. This is the required two-digit number if you take x in ones place and 9 minus x in tens place. Okay, now simplify this. 10 into 9, 90, minus 10 into x, 10x plus x. It is equal to 90 minus 10x plus x. It is equal to minus 9x. That means the two-digit number presents in an expression 90 minus 9x. Let's come to the question. When we interchange the digits, that means we interchange the digits, tens place digit we are taken in ones place and ones place digit we are taken in tens place. We are interchanging. Now the digit in tens place is x and the digit in ones place is 9 minus x. It is found that the resulting new number, so if the digit in tens place is x and the digit in ones place is 9 minus x, what is the new number? If we interchange the digits, then the new number, if we interchange the digits in the two-digit number, then the new number, that means the resulting number is, so now the digit in tens place is x, so its place value is 10x. The digit in ones place is 9 minus x, its place value is 9 minus x. By adding these two place values, we get the two-digit number. So the new number is 10x plus 9 minus x. Simplify this. 10x minus x, 9x plus 9. So this is the new number. This is the original number. So it is found that the resulting new number is means 9x minus 9 is greater than the original number by 27. The resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. Here, what is the new number? 9x plus 9 is the new number, and what is the original number? 90 minus 9x is the original number. So this new number is greater than the original number by 27. So express this condition in mathematical language. So according to the question, the new number is equal to greater than the original number by 27. Means that this new number is 27 more than the original number. Means it is equal to original number plus 27. Okay, so this is the mathematical condition, mathematical equation for presenting this sentence. Okay, that new number is 27 greater than the original number. That means if we add this 27 to the original number, we get the new number. So as per this, the new number is 9x plus 9, and the original number is 90 minus 9x plus 27. Okay, now this is the required equation and solve it. First transpose all the variable terms to left side and all constant to right side. So that's why minus 9x transpose to left side and plus 9 transpose to right side. So 9x minus 9x transpose to left side, it changes to plus 9x is equal to, right side already we have 90 plus 27, and when you transpose this plus 9 to right side, changes to minus 9. Now simplify this. 9x plus 9x, 18x is equal to 90 plus 27, 90 plus 27. So it is equal to 117 minus 9, 108. So x is equal to 108 by 18. So 18th table 1 time and 6 times. So x is equal to 6. Means in the required number, the digit in ones place is 6. Okay, then what is the digit in tens place? So hence the digit in ones place is equal to 6. Then what is the digit in tens place? It is equal to 9 minus 6, because the sum is 9. So the digit in tens place is 9 minus 6. It is equal to 3. So therefore the required two-digit number, is equal to 36. The digit in tens place is 3 and the digit in ones place is 6. So the required two-digit number is 36. So this is the third one. Let's we stop here. Remaining sums we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.